Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. We have created mail. Just it is text mail. Apps. This is the name. Must. It will miss his. First we want to explore here and then we'll go for Q. Many times we need to make dynamically our content. Many values. We need to put it from dynamic. Suppose we want to see this is a problem. There is some rules here. Concat format lowercase, uppercase stream. These are the some functions. These are some inbuilt functions. Now here we can like first name, last name. Print it. Before it we have already earlier, we have used in code snippet, we have used, if you notice, here it is showing member underscore underscore add, member underscore city, member state. These are the default, it is showing some value. These are all amps. These are all amps. This is percentage symbol and variable name, and then again percentage symbol. If I want to print it, just last name. Under it. You want to ask me? Ask me. I don't need. Num- Now it has been changed. This is the basic AMPscript symbol. It is a percentage. And now we will need to go to more tip. This is the first example of the AMPscript. AMPscript, purpose of the AMPscript. AMPscript uses the content section. And here purpose far we have used just print the value. And if we can add much more conditions also, like for loop all conditions, if it's condition for loop conditions, all conditions we can do. We can do set variable also here. What it will do? It will make your content, the content will be set. Content will be dynamic. It will be 1. Content will be according to dynamic value. It will be what? That is the main purpose of the AMPscript. Next, if I go to some theory portion, what is AMPscript? You can take photo or you can note down whatever suitable. Better you can write also. AMPscript is a marketing cloud proprietary scripting language. Every technology, it comes with some scripting language. Like this is JavaScript. It has a pattern. Python, Java, React, every technology. It has some special kind of technology, like in Salesforce there is, it's called Apex programming. Apex programming, it is a main programming coding for Salesforce. Here in the Marketing Cloud, this is the main scripting language which is required to make more customization. The rest of all of the things we have learned for all of the configuration configured, like we have set up content builder, we have set up data extension, we have done journey builder will do automation. All of the configuration part, but this is the one scripting part. Since you are in different non-coding background, you maybe initially feel some scared. But it is this AMPscript is not that level of the difficulties. It is easy. It is just you slowly start, you will be completely comfortable. The AMPscript is a marketing cloud proprietary scripting language for advanced dynamic content in emails, landing pages. It is email landing pages, SMS push message. Whenever you are creating a message, but that same message template is going to the thousands and lakhs and the person, but only value has been changes. Some dynamic value is going to change to customer. That's the purpose of the AMPscript. System process the script at the point where you include in the message to render content on a subscriber by subscriber basis. That means it is if every subscriber to subscriber value will be changed, and it makes the dynamic that portion of the content in it entire content. Multiple places according to requirement. The content setting, email content setting, we need to use the AMPscript. All AMPscript code is executed on the server behind the screen. There is a server in AMP, script is executed on the server. AMPscript code placed in a different section and email is executed, calling order. It may be header section, body section, subject section, any section of the, we can place entire email content section. Any places we can place AMPscript code. Some usage, retrieve data for which purpose it use, retrieve data extensions and display on email. It is retrieve data from data extension. What are the field we are printing now? What are the field we print here? How it is coming? It is coming from data extension. There is a one data extension. From that data extension, these fields and values are coming. It is coming from a data extension. Retrieve data from data extensions and display on email. Personalize emails using subscriber and contact data. Create complex, highly dynamic emails using conditional logic. Create complex, highly dynamic email. AMPscript main goal and purpose is to create dynamic mail. We are mailing dynamic mail. The values will be changes dynamically. That's the main goal and purpose, and also based upon condition. Suppose it is checking the gender, then there is a field. If gender is male, it will be. If we heard, it will write me. If it is a gender female, then it will be. If it is a content language, it will be print as a sheet. That's the most kind of things we can do based upon condition. We can also place the content, clean and permanent data and real-time information, emails such as date and time. You want to send a mail and some content you want to, because a real-time date, dynamically date. Every daytime it will be changed, get value from server and it will be print. All of you note down it. This is the first theory portion of the AMScript. Everybody better to write it. Now it is written in AMScript syntax. All AMScript code and function. And also we can use some function also. Some functions surrounded by open and close delimiters, or the code will be ignored by the system. There are three ways to write AMScript code. We can write AMScript code. On first way, AMScript block. First is the AMScript block. AMScript block. In case of block, open a delimiter in double percentage sign followed by open bracket. And that is percentage. Starting bracket, hard bracket, and close delimiter is close bracket followed by double percentage sign. Hard bracket and percentage. Output. If we want to print, suppose this is the way we can print. How to deeper function, double close. This is a block of AMScript and closing bracket. Percentage symbol. We can test it in our code. Let us move to here. First is this AMScript block. Is here. It is a AMScript block. Portionages, what it is. Next, write output. That's V. Just the same. Just notice it is printing here. Today we are learning is we are writing. This section is called AMPscript block. This section is called AMPscript block. Just it is printing here. This is the output and this is we are writing. It is a AMPscript block. Percentage, third bracket, out, V for function. It is a double quote. Today we write, I have written anything in the double quote and closing bracket. Then percentage. This is the AMPscript block. Here, this is the value. Now we want to add dynamic. We want to add some dynamic variable. We've added here, or we print something like this. Then we can out. This is the AMPscript block. Here we can write multiple line of study here. This is online. I have written. Suppose I want to write all of the here. It is a coming here, but I can print. It is a dynamic value. I can print some dynamic value here. No, that is not working. This is called AMPscript block. Just this section is called AMPscript block. If we want to print one value in a single line, in line it is called inline AMPscript. In case of inline, open delimiter is double percentage sign followed by equals to sign the percentage equal and close delimiter is equal to sign followed by double percentage, but again equal and then double percentage. This syntax can be used to execute single function only. It's used for single function only. If they want to just to print one single function, full syntax is percentage equal AMPscript function. And here, we write here next section. Just I'm printing here. percentage, percentage, let's see, let me see. It is printing here. Again, go to code. This is the example now. And there is some inbuilt functions are there. There is some inbuilt functions are there. They will be lowercase. Now I want to make you see this is a string. It is we're using a function. We're using a function. It is a lowercase is a function. It will make all character to small case. Let us check and run. It changes character to capital to small. There are many inbuilt functions. Uppercase. We can use it. Let's see. Now you can save it. It is changing. Or we are utilizing the function's inbuilt function here. What we have learned here is a inline AMPscript. Inline AMPscript. This is inline AMPscript. This is the section. Let me check whether to a tag base HTML script tag. HTML script tag can be used to execute AMPscript. We will use this HTML script tag. Script tags. Let us check. Script is run out. Server language output. It is a server. You have to write language, JavaScript, or we need to write. it is going to problem. Server script tag specifies the language JavaScript, that is not supported. The supported language are JavaScript and AMPscript. Invalid content. An AMPscript, we are in the content, it will do not server language. We need to check it. Let us check. Different object accepted. Out this block and check it. Some JS exception is 3%. Is output. Check it. These are the 3 sections. Last option is not printing. We need to check it. There are 3 ways. We need to familiar. First is AMPscript block. Inline AMPscript and tag this. But these are the 3 ways. Now all of you do it. Hands on now. This is the below section. You can do or you can create a new one. This is the we're going to learn AMPscript block we are using, that the output deeper function, and write it just this section. This is called AMPscript block. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.